Hi, today I have a bicycle lock. It's an ABUS, but I don't know the number of the lock, but it's a wafer lock. Here's the key and the bearing. It's for, I think, low security things. It's a big one. Let me try to, yeah. Here's how it's look. It's okay made, but to be honest, because it's a wafer, it's a pretty, let's say pretty easy pick. I'm not a raker, so I am a picker. So I'll try to pick this lock. It's on the wafers are on both sides, and I don't know if you can see, but the keyway, it's a curved one. I think 3 wafers on the top, 3 wafers on the bottom. Here's how it looks like that. Like, I don't know, like lightning, something like that. Yeah. So let's start picking it. I'll try to do my best not to move a lot, but it's a weird position, so yeah, let's start picking it. 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, 3 on top, 3 on bottom. So 1, 2, nothing. I think 1 it's binding, so try my best to position probably. Yeah, small turn on the core, and picking still seems and feel like crappy lock, even if it's from ABUS, but I don't know why. And the core is like moving a lot, and they're the how it's called, the wafers, and they're not serrated, nothing like serration or something like that, and sometimes I need to remove the, so if I go with hard, like a big tensioning, and the core is like moving, like, I don't know if you can see what it's like. It's a strangely not good made ABUS lock, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm talking, not picking, so let me continue with picking. So I don't know what is pick, what is not pick, so let's, nothing, it seems like it's a hard pick, but okay, I picked it and I lost the again. So let me do like fast pick. Yeah, here it is, and I won't let it go. So yeah, it's pretty easy pick, as you can see. It's not that hard to pick. With raking it's maybe a bit easier, and yeah, the key is working perfectly. Here's the mechanism inside, so it's a positive locking. I think you cannot shim it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so that's the ABUS padlock picked. So guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.